to present to you my one and only son, Mr. Inigo Pascual. Alright? Do it again. Umasa ka, maghihintay ako kahit kailan. Kahit na umabot man ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay Bathala na ako'y sa'yo. Sing it. There you go. Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin, at sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di mababago. Ngunit dahil sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ito'y lumalayo. Your turn. Sing louder. Di masasaktan pag may kasama ang iba. Di ba nila alam na tayo'y nagsumpa na ako'y sa'yo at ihayagin ko lamang. Kahit anong mangyari,
At kung di ka makita, makikiusap iba't harap na ika'y ipaalala sa iyo. Ang akalain muna sa na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking lamang. Thank you! Kamusta kayong lahat? Are you guys feeling good tonight? Thank you so much. Loving the energy. It's my first time here in Montreal. I've been wanting to come here for a very long time. And like what my dad said, it's been 5 years since we last did the father and son tour. So it's an honor to bring it here to Canada. And sana mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong gabi. Marami po kaming kantang hinandog para po sa inyo lahat. This next song is going to be my first time singing this. It's a cover of two of my favorite songs. And I'm sure that you guys know these two songs. So don't be shy. Sing with me. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Sing it. Louder. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? My, I can never let you go. Why do you build me up, buttercup baby, just to let me down? Mess me around and the worst of all, you never call baby when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I'll be over at 10, you told me time and again, but you're late. I'll wait around today.
for my next song,